How to delete all posts on Facebook page. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about deleting all posts on your Facebook page. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, tap on the profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on See More in the bottom and then go to Pages. Go to the page that you'd like to manage. Once you switch your account to your page, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of the screen. From here, tap on your page, and once you're in your Facebook page, scroll down and there you will see the Manage Post option. And from the Published menu, select all the posts over here and then go ahead and delete it and move it to bin. You can also recover the deleted post within 30 days. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.